Welcome to Why Is This a Dumb Idea? Here's our first dumb idea. See if you can figure out why. This idea is flat out hilarious. Take an old pair of jeans, cut off the legs in the front, leaving the back and waistband intact. Slip it on, turn it around, and load up the pocket with tools. If you're gonna do this, why not just wear pants and use your pockets? Now this might appeal more to the women out there, but men, let me just say, don't show up on a job site wearing this. Get ready for number 2. At first, this does look like a good idea, a lighted shop vac. I can't recall the last time I was vacuuming in a place so dark that I required a flashlight. And if you did, why not just hold it in your hand rather than dedicating it to a hose that you rarely use? Brace yourself for number 3. And speaking of shop vacuum hoses, here's another dumb idea. Takes up valuable wall space just to store 3 hose attachments. What if I had more attachments? And how about storing them in a box on a shelf or in one of those clear plastic shoe boxes? Oh, there I go again, trying to make sense. The hits keep on coming. Number 4. A bucket lid cord reel. Another idea that at first looks clever, but this is a dumb idea. First of all, why not just use one of these? Bucket lids with handles sticking out is a storage nightmare. Throw this in the back of your truck and the handles are likely to break off. I tend to think this is an example of over-engineering. Here it is, number 5. Here's a dumb idea that annoys me every time I see them. Impractical garage storage solutions. If you've ever had children, you know that you need lots and lots of storage space. This will not work. It looks pretty in a picture, but reality is gonna smack you in the head day one. Where do you put all the other toys, balls, shoes, hats, jackets? I don't think this idea is practical even if you lived alone. Finally, dumb idea number 6. Here's a couple products they sell at Home Depot. They also appeared on the TV show Shark Tank. Tupperware for your paintbrush and your paint roller. You can use these if you plan to do more painting and you don't want to clean your brush right away. Now, just because something sells at Home Depot and potentially makes millions of dollars doesn't mean that it's not a dumb idea. This one is really more of a dumb idea if you decide to buy one for yourself. You can do the exact same thing for free by using plastic wrap, which is actually better because it's completely airtight and it will last a lot longer. This also works great for paint rollers, and if you don't have any plastic wrap handy, you can always use one of those plastic store bags. Well, thanks for playing Why Is This a Dumb Idea? Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.